Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to start out by cleansing and purifying my skin, and I'm going to use my Tresemme deep cleanse shampoo. Last night I did put an oil in my hair. I used the black castor oil, I believe it is. I will leave it down below for you guys, and I just really need to use this shampoo to take all the oil out, and then after that I'll go in with my favorite shampoo. This is so amazing, guys. This is the Tresemme, no. This is the Cream of Nature Organ Oil Sulfate Free Moisture and Shine Shampoo. This leaves my skin, no, it's too early for this. This leaves my hair feeling so clean, so good. I'm obsessed. I've been using it, and I will leave it down below for you guys. It's literally amazing. I love it. Just gonna wash that away. Now I'm singing. Okay, Marilenny, bye. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do another one. Now I'm just gonna shampoo one more time, and then I'm gonna go in with my favorite deep conditioner. You guys know this. This is the APH G. I don't even know how to say this. This is the texture treatment that I use for my hair, and it's been really helping, and I love it. I'm just gonna leave it on and then continue with my shower, and then yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna go in with this little hair massager thing. I've been trying it out because I've seen several videos where they say that this helps stimulate or something your hair, and yeah, I've been trying it out to see if it's true, but now I'm just going to detangle my hair with my fingers, and as you can see, the back of my hair is so curly. Now I'm just gonna use my favorite conditioner. Guys, I've bought this conditioner like 3 times already. I love it, and this is the Ren Pure Biotin and Collagen Thickening Conditioner, and it's amazing. And I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna use my my detangler that I got at Marshall's. It's okay. I feel like I need one that's a little harder, but it does the job because I have short hair. But yeah, I really like it, and it's like really soft. And yeah, I put a lot of conditioner because my hair gets really tangled when I don't wash it for like 3 days. So that's what I'm doing now. And it's all nice and detangled, as you can see. Now I'm just gonna use this new product that I just purchased, and this was like $3 at Walmart. And this is the African Pride Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula Leave-In Conditioner. And it just says it's a daily treatment hair strengthening. So I'm gonna try to use that, like, you know. And now I'm just going in with my favorite products, and this is the Shea Moisture, you know, the creams that I use from Shea Moisture. I will leave it down below for you guys. I do have a video explaining all these products, but yeah, I just really wanted to show you guys real quick how I style my hair after. So I'm just showing you here, and I'm just gonna start with the back, because the back of my hair gets so curly so fast. It's crazy. Like, I wish my whole head was like this, but you know, little by little. Not gonna be in a rush, but yeah, look how curly and beautiful the back looks. I love it. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing to the front. As you can see, the front is so much straighter. I hate it, but whatever. And now I'm just gonna go in with this, and this product is from Cantu, and I've really been liking it, but I only put it in the front of my hair and like a little bit, like just to crunch it up, because it does make your hair a little hard. So I don't recommend using this on your whole head if your curls are not all back, because it will leave your hair with a little crunch that I don't like. I like softness, so that's why I only use it in the front. And I'm just gonna use this towel that I got when I went to cut my hair. And I don't like wet hair on my face. If you know me, you know that I don't like wet hair hitting me on my face. So I'm just gonna put those little 2 clips just to hold it back meanwhile it dries. And look at the curls in the back. Why can't it all be like that? It's so annoying. But yeah, this is the video that I had for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.